Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to this channel. My name is Larry Thomas. On this particular channel, we'll be talking about photography and videography, you guys. All right, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. All right, on this particular video, we'll be talking about how to get started as a photographer and what you need to start as a photographer. All right, let's get right into it, you guys. All right, number one, I would say find someone who has a camera doing photography. Find someone who has a camera doing photography. And this way you can learn, and see if you want that particular camera. And then once you learn that cameraman, and learn how they are doing it and stuff like that, try to rent you some, if you don't have the budget to buy one off the top. But yeah, try to rent a camera just to test it out, for a couple of days or just for a day, and just learn what you can off of that camera. Once you find out that, and find out the one you really want, be sure to make sure you go buy your camera. That's number three. Go buy your camera because you're gonna need camera gear, man, to become a photographer. All right. So next thing, after you buy your camera, you want to learn lighting. You want to buy lighting. And make sure you buy a speed light. Make sure you buy a speed light. I had a speed light, but it messed up, so now I have to buy another one. And I really need that, like doing weddings and inside stuff, because you're gonna need that extra light. You need to have you some great photos. You're gonna make your photos a lot better, unless you just have a camera that have some great. It's very good in low light, but you get that lighting, man, so you can get you a speed light. So that comes with getting lighting. The next thing, number five, training. Get you some training in. YouTube will teach you a lot, man. YouTube teaches you a lot. I learned a lot from just watching YouTube videos. Other photographers, basically, specifically, I just watch different types of, because I like different styles. I like to see different things and how to do different things. You may have a wedding photographer. You might have event photographer. You may have all that kind of stuff. You may get hired to do these things, and you want to know a little bit about them before you get into it. The next thing you need is you need to offer free services. Can you do I ain't gonna say wedding, because weddings they are pretty big and there's a lot of work. I would say do a party or something like that. And then some different kind of events and stuff like that, man, because that'll get you used to doing, and moving facts and stuff like do street photography. That's a great way to learn photography. I've done a lot of street photography, and that has really helped me when I, have a wedding. And the last thing, man, once you build your portfolio, so that's what, when you do your free, or my mind going way out. Once you, oh my God, land there. I hope that wasn't. But do your free, offer free services. Sorry about that, you guys. Offer free services. Once you offer free service, you'll be able to build your portfolio. And then once you have that portfolio, you guys, you can start setting your prices, which is the fun part. Some people, struggle with that. Well, so you might want to start low and then raise your prices as you go. Because that's how I feel, man. I feel like more I learn, more knowledge I have of it, that's when my price can go up a little bit more. I don't want to jump directly up there. Some people may, tell you to jump straight up there, but I don't feel comfortable at jumping straight up there yet. Not saying I don't value my work. I'm just saying once I grow and I feel like, my work is worth all those thousands of dollars, that's when we get there. Now I feel more comfortable, selling somebody, giving somebody a price like that. But yeah, some people are different. But yeah, I do value my work, and I make sure, I charge what is needed. You feel me? What I need to charge for myself, and what I feel like, I deserve as a photographer. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys, man. That's what you need to start be a photographer. To start as a photographer, get you the camera, get you some lighting, and shoot. Camera, lighting, shoot. You may wonder what camera I use for photography. I will have another video for that later on. But yeah, as of right now, you guys, this is how you start as a photographer. This is what you need to start as a photographer. If you can, please subscribe to this channel, man, because I have a lot of stuff to talk about. All right, until next time, guys, my name is Larry, and I'm out.